I am Marcee McMullen, Westchester's Fairy God Realtor. Let's walk around and I'll tell you all the places that I love. There's so many, I probably can't get them all into this. We were just at Pizza. This place has the best rooftop bar, very good Mexican food, and excellent margaritas. And then Pine and Quill is right down here too. Cutest stuff ever. I love Éclat chocolate. I like to get little boxes of chocolate sometimes for clients, but also I can get just like a little 4-pack of chocolates for the other agent, because everyone deserves a present at the closing table, right? Now this place is really interesting. This is Mimi's Tea Cottage. They're not open right now, so I can't take you in, but they have all of these great like afternoon teas, and you can get scones, tea sandwiches. I took my niece Nora here on her birthday and we had the best time. So if you enjoy tea, you gotta go here. Fabulous. Doce, amazing cupcakes. So we're gonna pop in there and see what kind of cupcakes they have. Which one that's a special do you think is the yummiest?
If you like lemon, I would go for the lemon.
I love lemon.
Yeah, or there's the Neapolitan. That one has a strawberry frosting. It's filled with fudge. That one's pretty good.
And then what about your gluten-free ones?
Let me see what flavors we have.
Okay, because they have gluten-free cupcakes too.
We have brown sugar cookie dough.
Brown sugar cookie dough. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I love lemon. Anything oh, and marshmallow. I love marshmallow. Sometimes when I have my open houses, I get mini cupcakes from here. And there's nothing better than a Doce cupcake with a glass of champagne at an open house. The marshmallow is super marshmallowy, and the frosting is so yummy. It's so lemony. They have so many different flavors. You can't go wrong. It's all super good. So now we're gonna finish heading down Market Street, and we're gonna get to see some really beautiful architecture, but we're headed, our final destination on Market Street is one of my favorite places, Carlino's. Wait until you go in there. Well, first of all, I do not like to cook at all, and I avoid it as much as humanly possible. Carlino's has the best stuff to take home, and I can pop it in the oven and it looks like it's homemade. I mean, it is homemade, it's just not by me. And I still consider that cooking, by the way. If the oven gets turned on, it's cooking. So this is the Lincoln Room, and this is a really, really old building, and supposedly it's haunted. It used to be like a coffee house. I'm not sure what they do with it now. We'll have to check that out, I don't know. One of my favorite places to eat, it's Pietro's Prime. Dan and I like to go there like when we're having a fancy dinner together. We love to go there. They have the nicest drinks, the best food. It's truly an experience. Fresh, such a weirdo. Okay, so they have fresh fruit and like little veggie area here. We're gonna get to their baked goods area. Oh my God. They have a fantastic coffee bar, delicious cheeses, fresh made pasta, and like pre-made stuff like lasagna and marinara sauce, meatballs, all the good stuff. Everything's so good. They have all these things that you can get to go. Dan has had some of all of this and thought I made it, which is fine. And then you can order like pizzas or hamburgers or sandwiches or whatever you want. And then you have like salads and other things that you can take home. Dan again has had all of this. Now their tomato pies are probably my favorite thing here. They're so good. Tomato pie is cold. Technically, in many ways, it's a pizza. So these have like extra things on them, but usually they're just like this. So it's like a nice thick homemade dough, and then there's red sauce over, and then they top it with some fresh basil and a little drizzle of olive oil. Oh. Carlino's is mostly like pasta, but they're not all gluten. So they do have gluten-free, a bunch of different options for different types of pastas that they have, and breadcrumbs and some other things. So even if you're gluten-free, you can still come here. And everyone needs a nice glass of red to go with their pasta, right? So they have everything that you would possibly need. Little wine shop here too. Don't forget dessert. That's one of the best things about Carlino's. Come on, let's take a look. Cannolis filled to order. Yummy. Everything here is so good. Like, look at this dessert case. Are you kidding me? It's amazing. So at Christmas, I like to come here because I absolutely love pinoli cookies, and they make very good pinoli cookies. And then they also have these ricotta cookies, which are so yummy. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna get some while I'm here. Oh, and another thing is like Thanksgiving and holidays, you can order the whole meal. They also do catering, so I've done that a few times as well. It's always fantastic. Everything is great. You can just sit right here and eat your stuff, or you can pull up to this bar here. They even have outlets so you can plug in your computer or your phone or whatever. Get some coffee and a snack, a dessert, perfect. So those are some of my favorite places here in Westchester. Let me know in the comments below what some of yours are. Maybe we'll visit them next time.